There are some things that people don't tell you when you're getting into degree college. And it has to do with what's important and what doesn't matter at all. The 50% that you got on that one exam, it doesn't matter. Your first fight isn't that big of a deal.
सिमरन आसिफदार सबको बनाओ अपनी दीवानी.
I don't have a headache. I'm preparing for one.
So I just have to say congratulations to us. We made it.
One of our classmates, Maitra Sangvi, wasn't allowed to be there for the graduation ceremony because he didn't graduate. That's because he copied and he got more KDs than all the subjects combined. But we're going to present Maitra Sangvi.
But you're not wearing a robe.
Yes, currently I was very hard because I'm sorry.
Neha's wearing a robe also. So am I.
You get it
But we rented these. This is rented. We can't give it to a beggar, okay?
Okay guys, we get it. Your robes are rented. Can we move on please?
I don't know, I think the robe thing recently, when Muskan said कि beggar से burger लेना है कुछ तो.
You're probably not going to remember who did and who didn't dance with you at the freshers party. You're also not going to remember the order that you got picked for CI screenings or any presentation. The things that you should and will remember are actually the people.
So this guy from our class, he's like a self-proclaimed CR.
Okay, clarification I'm going to suck up.
He is.
So I've been arranging like notes since the first year, and even today on the graduation I'm the one who's arranging notes. So I don't know, I feel like the logistics guy or the Xerox person of the class.
He is.
My favorite teacher. You mean school or college?
Santosh Bhaiya.
Like the girl who sat next to you in class when you didn't know anybody else. Or the one that walked you home from that party you didn't feel like going for. Or the girl who sat and figured a week's worth of math with you because you couldn't manage alone.
But Sudha doesn't want you to be in the auditorium.
It's because she's following the rules. She's very like follows the rules. But I got a Ganpati. Not only that, she invited me over for dinner. Just saying.
Snehcheda is offended.
See what I mean? It's a special thing.
Even though we had that one building in the name of the campus, the memories that we made were endless. You'd be lying if you said that on some days you randomly don't crave Ram Bhaiya sandwiches and samosas and Chinese. Whether it was staying back in college way after the building needed to be shut down, or whether it was walking into a lecture just when it was about to get over. You'd be lying if you said you didn't miss being greeted by early in the morning. From becoming complete zombies, trying to get done with ad assignments and to rushing the nearest shady bar to celebrate once you're done. From eating, dancing, yelling, fighting in class to barely making it for the 7:30 lectures, only to fall back asleep. You'd be lying if you said you don't miss college.
What's that? The group of 8 people make sense.
I'm glad I'm not in it.
ये सीखा इसने चाटू ने लाइफ खराब की हमारी पूरी चाटू.
So I would write on my system with features on camera. You can't see my leg right now. So I'd write all notes on my calf, and I'd wear long pants, and then I just do pull my sleeve up, breathe, pull it back down, I got my 5 semesters or 4 semesters complete this. It was perfect. Each semester, shut the fuck up, I'm talking. Each semester, like the notes on my legs were just getting more and more because I just got more and more confident. 6th semester, I flew too close to the sun. And I wrote notes way too high up to close to my knees. So while I was giving the paper, I put my sleeve up. And it wasn't getting coming back down because it got stuck. And I panicked. And the teacher saw me. And that's how I got caught. That was very sad. That's the reason I'm not graduating technically. Although I have passed.
A lot of people told me don't do BMM. I did not take them seriously. Only took this college as my option. Don't regret it at all. 3 years they took money out of me. Don't regret it at all. Could have done so much more without a degree at this day. This is.
These 3 years of BMM I taught me one thing. That's how to make deals. Thanks, Neethira, for giving me all the content for 3 straight years. Fuck you.
And here's the thing about graduating from college and entering the real world. Your life becomes your own, for better or for worse. Yes, you might have to do a crappy job. Yes, you're going to have breakups, struggles, and rejections. But you'll also have the joy of landing your first job that aligns with your passions and knowing that you and you alone made it happen for yourself. And while that may sound absolutely terrifying, it's also absolutely liberating. And at the end of the day, every struggle, every triumph, every fresh start belongs to you. It's going to be phenomenal. You're also going to succeed and advance and surprise yourself with everything you're capable of.
I can't believe I signed up for this.
I'm graduated!
Can we go already?
With this, Ellie? Even if you're golden lining on it, still it doesn't look hot, Ellie. It's like more Sindhi.
Get out of here! I think the best part about being in this college is that I don't have to come here anymore.
Graduation actually sucks because MU sucks. And like I've been trying to trend F2MU, like fuck your MU, on Instagram since yesterday. It hasn't worked, but hopefully it will someday. I don't give a fuck, man. She's crazy.
I love my classmates so much that all the friends I have are either my juniors or my seniors. Also, just a reminder to everybody who didn't get a Ganpati from Sudha. I did!
Hi everyone, content YouTube के videos आप please मुझे follow कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए, and if you even don't like my videos, I don't like you either, but you still have to like it.
The truth about growing up is that it can be absolutely awful, tragic and depressing, but with these beautiful, brave and equally screwed up people, it's been pretty amazing.
Because the bad memories aren't going to matter, but the good people always do.
Can we just go get hammered already?
Yeah, that was good.